Hi, my name's Kelly and welcome to Corrimal Library. Today we're going to do some really easy origami, which is just another word for paper folding. So we're going to make a dog and a cat and a little love heart. Alright, so this is how we make a dog. We'll turn our paper over and fold it into a big triangle. Fold down like that. I'm going to fold it again into another triangle. Just fold it down. That's it. Turn it around here and open it back up. We've got the long line facing us. So hold on to the centre. I'm going to fold not all the way to the top, but about halfway down like that. And the other side, about halfway. We're just going to spin that around. We've got a pointy bit here. Let's fold that up. And there we have our dog. Alright, so this is how we make a cat. We fold it over and fold our square in half. And fold it into another triangle. Open it back up, just like the dog. Long bit down the bottom here. And this time when we fold our triangles up, they're going to be a little bit bigger, so they're going to be right close up there near the top. Other side. Up there. Spin it around. Fold our little triangle up there. Flip it over. And there's our cat. Okay, so this is how we make our heart. Flip our square over, make a triangle. I'm going to open that triangle up. Top bit, I'm going to fold down to our fold line there, press that down, and then we bring the bottom bit up. Press that down. We're going to fold it in half, and then open it back up again. This side, we're going to bring up to meet that line in the middle, press that down, and then on the other side we'll do the same thing. Then flip it over, this little triangle here comes in, and again on this side, and there we go, there's our love heart. Right, so we've made our origami today. Thanks for joining us here at the library. We'd love to see your photos, so please send them in. As you can see, we've decorated ours here with just using a pen and some stickers, but you can decorate yours with whatever you want. So we'd love to see them.